Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're zooming right in, taking just one really concise line and seeing what's inside.
Yeah, breaking it down.
Exactly. Our source is excerpts from Bitget Referral Code 2025, FPR2UB1D, Claim Your Bonuses. Just that title, really. And our mission, well, it's to unpack how this short stream of words actually works, like a tiny, complete package of information.
A mini marketing message almost.
Yeah, we're looking at the pieces, Bitget Referral Code, then 2025, the code itself, FPR2UB1D, and that final bit, Claim Your Bonuses.
Seems simple on the surface.
Right, but let's dig in. Okay, first part. Bitget Referral Code. Now, obviously, it's about referrals, getting bonuses.
Standard stuff for many platforms.
Yeah, but strategically, what does focusing on that tell us? Especially in the crypto exchange world, which is super competitive, like Bitget.
Well, it's actually quite revealing. Straight away, that phrase points to a key way they get new users. Referrals aren't just like a side thing in crypto. They're often fundamental. It's about using the trust your current users have to bring in new people. Often much more cost effectively than just blasting ads everywhere.
Okay, so it's efficient.
Right. And for Bitget, putting referral code front and center like this, it could suggest they really lean on their community for growth. Maybe it tells you a bit about where their budget goes more on user incentives, perhaps, less on huge marketing splashes.
Interesting. It sort of frames the relationship from the start.
Exactly. It's built on this idea of mutual benefit.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, the next part, 2025. We see dates all the time, but sticking a year on a referral code, that feels deliberate.
It absolutely is.
Okay.
It's not just saying this code expires eventually.
So what's the signal there, beyond just validity?
Well, think about the crypto space. It moves incredibly fast,
Really?
right? Regulations change, the market shifts, platforms add new features constantly.
True. Things look different year to year.
Precisely. So
Yeah.
putting 2025 on it does a couple of things. It signals, yes, this code has a defined lifespan. It's not forever.
Creates a bit of urgency, maybe.
It can, yeah.
Yeah.
But it also implies planning. It's just they might have a program refresh scheduled, or maybe aligns with their financial year, or a specific marketing cycle they've already mapped out for, up to 2025.
So it hints at their internal roadmap in a subtle way.
It gives you a sense that this offer is tied to a specific strategic window, not just an open-ended thing. Timeliness is key.
Right. Okay, which brings us neatly to the code itself, FPR2UB1D, this specific string. For anyone wondering, how these are made, what's going on behind the scenes.
Yeah, the technical bit.
And crucially, how do they stop people just guessing codes or, generating fake ones to get bonuses, especially when money or crypto value is involved?
That's a really important point, security and integrity.
Yeah.
That sequence, FPR2UB1D, isn't just random typing.
No.
Well, it looks random, but in a good system, it's generated using methods that ensure uniqueness and make it practically impossible to guess. Think strong algorithms, enough randomness, what cryptographers call entropy. For a platform dealing with assets, like Bitget, the system checking these codes needs to be robust. You'd expect things like checking patterns, limiting how many times codes can be tried from one place.
No, rate limiting.
Exactly, rate limiting. And maybe even linking it to their identity checks, the KYCML stuff, to prevent abuse. This code, FPR2UB1D, it's the unique key that turns the idea of a referral into something their system can actually process and act on.
So a lot more complex than just a random coupon code from a magazine.
Definitely. There's significant tech behind making it work reliably and securely.
Right. Okay, and the final piece then. Claim your bonuses. Very direct. It's not consider getting a bonus, it's claim your bonuses.
It's a command. A call to action.
So for someone seeing this, especially someone familiar with how online platforms work, what questions might that phrase spark about the bonuses themselves?
That phrase is the hook, right?
Yeah.
It's the payoff. Why should I bother using this code? Because you get bonuses. It appeals directly to, our desire for reward.
Simple enough.
But for anyone who's used these platforms, it immediately makes you wonder, okay, what bonuses? How do I actually claim them? Is it instant?
Are there strings attached?
Exactly. Are there conditions? Like, do I need to trade a certain amount first? Is the bonus in a specific crypto? Does it have a lockup period where I can't withdraw it straight away?
The fine print.
Pretty much. So while claim your bonuses sounds simple and appealing, The actual process of claiming often reveals the specific terms. And those terms tell you a lot about the real value to the user and also about the platform's strategy for structuring these incentives.
It's where the promise meets the reality of the platform's rules.
You got it. You follow the instruction, you aim for the reward, but the how is where the details lie.
So wrapping this up then, what does this all mean? We took this seemingly tiny phrase.
Bitget Referral Code 2025,
Nah.
FPR2UB1D. Claim your bonuses.
Yeah, just that. And we've seen how each element isn't just like descriptive text. It functions together. It's telling you what it is.
Referral code.
When it's relevant.
Through 2025.
The exact key to use.
That specific FPR2UB1D string.
And the reason to do it.
To claim those bonuses.
It's like a miniature instruction manual and a marketing pitch all rolled into one. And it even gives little hints about the platform's strategy and tech underneath. Really quite efficient.
It really is. And that actually leads to a final thought, something for you, the listener.
Yeah.
Maybe chew on.
Oh.
Yeah. Think about how pieces of information like this, super concise, very direct, manage to function as a complete set of instructions and a strategic message. Bitget Referral Code 2025, FPR2UB1D, claim your bonuses, packs a lot in. So the question is, what does the effectiveness of this kind of communication tell us about the power of being direct, of being concise, especially when it comes to conveying utility and getting people to act in, today's digital world? How much complexity can you actually convey in just a few well-chosen words?